Most OEMs and wiper manufacturers recommend a wiper blade replacement interval every 6 to 12 months, but wiper life can vary greatly depending on the region of the country and the conditions under which the vehicle is operated. Exposure to intense sunlight and heat can increase the degradation process, as can exposure to dirt and debris. The only way to know is by inspecting the blades when the car or truck is in your bay. Here are 3 questions you need to ask yourself during a wiper blade inspection. What is the best way to inspect wiper blades? No special tools are required to inspect wiper blades. All that is needed is a rain simulator or spray bottle. Spray the windshield down and activate the wipers. Look for streaks and water that remains on the windscreen. What happens if they make noise? Wipers that chatter, screech, or skip on the windshield should also be changed. This is a sign that the rubber has degraded or the frame is no longer able to hold the blade to the glass. A quick visual inspection can help you spot any tears or cracks in the rubber that signal it is time for replacement wiper blades. Does the car have a camera? If the vehicle has a lane departure, automatic braking, or other advanced safety systems like ADAS, chances are there is a camera or multiple cameras behind the windshield. Like the driver, the camera needs a clean windshield to see the road ahead. If the wipers are not clearing the glass in front of the camera due to damaged blades or a lack of spring tension, the camera may not allow the driver to use some of the more advanced features like lane departure or automatic cruise control. If the driver has to run the wipers on high so they are effective, some advanced safety systems that use cameras will deactivate. Recommending wiper blades to customers after an inspection is a great way to create trust with the customer. Chances are they have experienced a moment where their current wipers let them down in a recent storm, or they've been meaning to replace them when time permits. It's an easy sale. B Pro Auto delivers high-quality, competitively priced, OE-backed wiper blades, complete with a 90-day warranty. Premium B Pro Auto wiper blades are manufactured with robust steel, resulting in a strong design that delivers supreme quality and impeccable performance for all vehicle types. The precise cut wiping edge rubber offers long-lasting, streak-free wiping performance. The premium B Pro Auto Beam wiper blade is manufactured with a tensioned steel spleen that offers a uniform pressure across the entire length of the blade, as well as an aerodynamic spoiler to reduce wind lift, delivering a perfect wipe. The nanotech graphite coating gets water off your windshield for maximum vision and safety. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.